different types of soils. Okay, we have seen that soils are of different type and we get soil in a different area. Okay, so we have completed some of the types of soil in the previous video. Okay, red soil, black soil, alluvial soil. We have taken the information, we have studied the information about this soil. Now today we have to learn about laterite soil. Next type of soil is laterite soil. This is the fourth type of soil, laterite soil. Now listen it carefully. What is laterite soil? Okay, so laterite soil, it is red in color. Color of this soil is what? Red. It is red in color because it is red in color due to the presence of iron and aluminium in it. Because of iron and aluminium which is present in it, that's why the color of this laterite soil is red. Okay, laterite soil is red in color because iron and aluminium is present in it. Okay, this is the first point. Second point is this soil is not fertile. Laterite soil is not fertile. Okay, now its uses. Where do we use it? This soil is used for making bricks. What? This soil is used for making what? Bricks. And after that, building materials. This laterite soil is used for making bricks and building materials. Okay. Now, where do we get this soil, laterite soil? In the Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, West Bengal. These are the states where we get this laterite soil. Where do we get laterite soil then? In Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, West Bengal. These are some of the states where we get the laterite soil. Okay. Now, which kind of crops we can cultivate in this laterite soil? So the crops like cashew nut, coconut. Okay. So this kind of crops we can take in this laterite soil. Which kind of? Cashew nut, after that groundnut, after that coconut. This type of crops we can cultivate in this laterite soil with the help of fertilizer. Okay. With the help of fertilizer, we can cultivate different types of crops like cashew nut, groundnut and coconut in this laterite soil with the help of what? Fertilizers. So this is all information about laterite soil. Okay. So the points of laterite soil is first, it is red in color. Red in color due to the presence of iron and aluminium. Means the color of this soil is red. It is red in color because this iron and aluminium is present in it. That's all. Second point is it is not fertile. Means the fertility of this soil is less. After that, it is used to make bricks and building materials. Building materials. So these are the uses of laterite soil. Laterite soil is used for making bricks and building materials. After that, states like for making bricks and building materials. After that, states like Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, West Bengal, there we get or there we find this laterite soil. And the crops like coconut, cashew nut, groundnut, these types of crops can be cultivated in this type of soil with the help of fertilizer. Okay, so please note down this point in your notebook. So note down this. Okay, I hope you wrote down these points. Now we have to see the next type of soil, and that is desert soil. Next type of soil that we have to see is desert soil. Okay. Which type of soil is desert soil? Okay. Now we have to see the information about desert soil. It is the fifth type of soil. Now listen it carefully. Desert soil is light brown in color. What is the color of desert soil? Desert soil is light brown in color. Okay. After that, this soil is not fertile. This soil is not fertile. Okay. After that, this soil is found in desert area like Rajasthan and Gujarat. This type of soil you will get in the desert areas like Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay. And rainfall drop in this type of soil in a very low quantity. Okay, rainfall is very less in such kind of area. Okay, after that the crops like wheat, pulses, barley, this kind of crops we can cultivate in this type of soil. So the first point is it is light brown. It is light brown in color. Color of this soil is what? Light brown. After that, it is find in desert area like Rajasthan and Gujarat. Means these are the two states where we get this desert soil. Okay. After that, the crops like wheat, maize, pulses can be cultivate in this soil. So these are the points about desert soil. Very less points are there. Desert soil is light brown in color. Okay. After that, it is found in desert area like Rajasthan and Gujarat. After that, the crops like wheat, then maize. After that, pulses. This kind of crops can be cultivated into this soil. And the quantity of rain is very less in this type of soil. Okay, so here we have completed two types of soil. First, laterite soil. After that, we have seen the information about desert soil. And please note down all these points in your notebook. Okay, so it will be beneficial for you if you wrote all these points in your notebook. Okay, so I hope you understood these two types of soil that I have taught you today. Okay, so the last type of soil, mountain soil, we will see in the next video. Okay, up to To that time, stay safe, stay healthy at your home, and do your study well. Okay. See you in the next video.